sick, sick, sick of fucking pushing it down, pushing it down. I feel it crawling underneath my skin. I'm counting 6 seconds, still I'm letting it out, letting it out. When I look in the mirror, I know what I see. The animal in me. One with the demon, one with the beast. The animal in me.
Monster.
I'm gonna show them what I have become. I'm gonna burn, 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 burn them all to the ground, all to the ground. For all the times I didn't believe in me, for all the times that cut me and made me bleed, for all the times I said I wasn't good enough to see I got a monster, monster within it. When I look in the mirror, I know what I see. The animal in me. One with the demon, one with the beast. The animal in me.
Monster.
Come a little closer. If you look into my eyes, do you see what I see? I've